Tay on the track. Oakland, Tay on the track. Let the world know who we got.
Oh man, again, the infamous one and only, the Blowster. What's up with the world, man? You know what I'm saying? We ain't making no noise, man. Keeping it lit, doing what we do, frying fish and talking shit.
This motherfucker plead, huh?
Oh yeah, he coming together. We just waiting on that motor now. So you know, it's working out, man. That's what we do. So I already told him we was gonna give him some finished product.
Yeah, that motherfucker back there growling.
Yeah, man, we just got a few more little adjustments. You know how this shit go. And this coming together, man. Turf cars and classics, man. You know.
Oh.
Making it happen. Music in, interior done. Gold one's gold kit.
What kind of slap you got up in there?
Little 412, you know, something light. I ain't with the young shit, man. We in a 40+ club. So we just put a little, you know what I'm saying, ride music.
Didn't even get a chance to grab my Snoop Dogg break. Man with no music, but happy to free. Selling fast as I can bail down 19th Street. I got my stacks in my pocket and at least a grand. Gold on my neck, my pistol close to me. I'm a down, I'm a big thing. Removing control by the bombing chick. But just every shitty as a million man. Didn't know what the fans wanted, didn't have time to ask. How many with this shit?
Oakland, Tay on the track.